Hi, this is Scoggett. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I myself doing real good. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a video on how to change the air filter on a 2017 Kia Sorento. And it's very simple to do, it's not hard, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. And what I've got is I've got the filter. I went down to the Kia dealership and got the filter. And if you go to the Kia dealership, then the part number for the air filter is K28113A9100. And that's the part number for the air filter. So going to go ahead and get to changing it out. Very simple to do, and let's get with it. Okay, to change this air filter out, it's located right here. This is where the air filter is located, and it'll be on the side of the where the battery is, and it even is labeled air filter, and it says pull to open. Got two little tabs here, so we're just going to pop that open, and you notice that it has two little locks here. All what you do is just unlock the locks by turning them to the side, and then this pulls out. The air filter pulls out. Now we're going to go ahead and take the new filter, and it also has the locks to it. And you just insert this in, you line it up. It should line up. Push it down in there, and then just lock these down. Then you just shut the cover. And that's all it is to it. Very simple to do, and there's really not much work to it. Took less than a minute to do. Something I want to mention is if you took this into the dealership to have them change out the air filter, takes less than a minute to do, they're going to charge you $65. It's going to be right around $65 for them just for half a minute's work. So hopefully this helps somebody where they won't have to go that route and just hand their money to them. I mean, that's ridiculous, because there's not really any work to it. It just undoing the cover and putting the new one in, and it's just outrageous how much they charge for labor and everything for putting just something real simple like this in. And something else, if you get like an aftermarket one, like one of these goes to an auto parts store, they might not have the little tabs to it, what locks. It might just be one what slides in. But this is Mrs. Scoggett's car, and since it's Mrs. Scoggett's car, I go to the dealership and buy the parts. That way I know that it's on record and that it's got the correct part on the inside on the car. I don't work on cars very much, but something simple like this, then I'll go ahead and replace stuff myself. So hopefully this video was helpful to somebody, and will save you a little bit of money there. And something else is a filter. It costs right around $20, I think it was. It was $19 and some change. So a little bit more expensive than going the cheaper route, but like I say, it's a genuine Kia product. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Y'all continue to stay safe and take care.